Hello, now I will explain how to add stock using stock adjustment in Vatrix POS system. For that, first make sure that inventory control setting is enabled. For that, go to admin settings and make sure that inventory control is enabled. Next, go to inventory, click on stock adjustment and set the adjust type to add. Next, enter the item details you want to add. For example, we'll enter item details as water. Enter the number of quantity you want to add to stock. For example, I will add 5 quantities. I will also add another item, watermelon, and quantities too. You can also bulk import items using Excel by going to extra, and you can import item details using barcode. For that, select bulk barcode from Excel. Also, you can import by using item code. For that, click on bulk item code from Excel. After entering the necessary details, click on save and click on approve. You can also print the stock adjustment invoice by clicking on this print button here. This is how you add stocks using stock adjustment in Vatrix POS system. Thank you.